In today's dental care landscape, ProvaDent stands out as an innovative solution designed specifically for those seeking effective oral health support. This isn't just another toothpaste or mouthwash. ProvaDent is a clinical-grade oral probiotic complex that aims to restore the delicate balance of good bacteria in the mouth. Its unique approach allows it to strengthen enamel while simultaneously helping combat bad breath, something traditional dental products often overlook. ProvaDent's unique BioFresh Clean Complex works diligently to dissolve biofilms, those troublesome layers where harmful bacteria tend to lurk. This innovative action goes beyond what standard brushing can achieve, effectively targeting only the detrimental strains while allowing the beneficial bacteria to thrive. By introducing 4 carefully selected probiotic strains alongside potent ingredients like cranberry extract and purple carrot powder, ProvaDent not only reduces plaque and gum disease, but also provides antioxidant support essential for healing gum tissues and minimizing inflammation. The benefits users are experiencing with ProvaDent are impressive. Strengthening enamel, preventing cavities, and inhibiting plaque development are just the beginning. Many have reported visible improvements in gum health, including reduced bleeding and swelling, often within just 2 weeks of consistent use. The probiotics promote salivary production, a natural defender against decay, enhancing overall oral health and freshness. These results have garnered attention, as over 92,000 users have praised its effectiveness, sharing how ProvaDent has transformed their dental health and reduced their reliance on expensive dental treatments. What's particularly fascinating about ProvaDent is its comprehensive approach to well-being. Users are noting benefits beyond their oral health, such as improved digestion and reduced systemic inflammation. This connection between oral and gut health is pivotal, broadening the impact ProvaDent has on overall health. Moreover, it's easy to integrate into daily routines. Merely chew 1 to 2 tablets after brushing, making advanced oral care more accessible. In conclusion, if you find yourself battling frequent cavities, gum issues, or simply aim to enhance your dental hygiene routine, ProvaDent presents a promising alternative to conventional products. It's crafted from natural ingredients, free from harsh chemicals or artificial sweeteners, allowing users to prioritize their health with ease. With a growing body of positive user experiences and its scientifically backed formula, ProvaDent may well be the key to revitalizing your mouth health and achieving a radiant smile.